This is the first video in my new series, where I'm making a Sudoku app which I want to use myself. I will upload the results to the internet, so you will be able to use my app too. The first, and one of the most important steps, was writing down what I want to achieve with this app. Today's goal is to make the basic layout of the app. In future videos, I plan to make the layout somewhat interactive, make the Sudoku creating logic, and Sudoku solving logic. I'm using Python's Flet module to bring my project into reality. The coding process reminds of HTML with CSS, which makes it pretty easy to use. At first, I created a grid without any style. I made it using nested containers with rows and columns. It has a lot of layers, but it's pretty easy to understand. When I was done with positioning digits, I decided to add borders to it. Borders helped me to see that there was a lot of empty space, so I cleaned it up. With borders looking good, I changed the cell size. I set it to the point where it's going to be minimal for the app. I added an event, which highlights the cells that are being hovered, to see if everything works. After I've got the working Sudoku grid, it was time to add a menu to the app. I decided to make the menu really thin, so the game can be played when window width is relatively small. After checking how the menu looked like, I decided to move digits to the left side of the menu, so the menu won't be that high. I had to make the grid a little responsive, because buttons were too wide for the current code. After successful digit placement, I changed their appearance to the one I liked. I also added a new button that will show and hide the digits in the future. The resulting UI looks like this for now. I think I'll make minor changes to it, but overall the layout is done. Leave a like and subscribe for more content in the future.